With the release of Chrome version 100, Google has added a new experimental feature which lets you enable a confirmation prompt when choosing the Close All Tabs option within the web browser. Now, not many people are even aware of this option to begin with, since it is only available in one specific use case. But while you're using Chrome, check out the tab overview page as seen here. You can see there's a 3-dot menu button in the top right corner, and tapping this gives us a few options to choose from, with one of them giving us the ability to close all the tabs. Now, I would say that this is a great solution for most people because, again, it's only available as an option when we're looking at the tab overview page. So the likelihood of us choosing this option by accident seems fairly low to me. But the folks at Google have worked to add in a confirmation box before actually closing all of your open tabs. But as of right now, it is an optional feature that needs to be enabled manually. And as of recording this video, it's only available in version 100 of Chrome, which means that you may need to install the Canary build of Google's web browser if you want to test out this feature. But these experiments tend to stick around from release to release, so over the next few months I expect to see this feature debut in the beta version of Chrome before finally being added to the stable branch as well. So once you have version 100 of Chrome installed, go ahead and open it up and then dive into the experiments page, which can be found at the Chrome://flags page. And from here we can just search for the close all tabs phrase. And you can see there's going to be a box right here that's going to be set to default by default. And we can force this feature to be enabled by selecting the enabled option. And now we're going to need to relaunch the web browser for this new change and this feature to go into effect. So go ahead and tap the blue relaunch button and let the Chrome web browser close and then open back up. So now that we have enabled that feature, we can go to the tab overview page again. We have a number of tabs open right here. We can tap the 3-dot menu and then choose the Close All Tabs option. And you can see this time we're going to get this pop-up box that asks us, are you sure you want to close all the tabs? We can cancel out if we want, or we can choose the Close All Tabs button, which will wipe out the tabs that we currently have opened. This is the latest feature that has been added to Chrome, and as you can see, it can be easily enabled through the Chrome flags page, though I'm curious how many people will actually find this useful. So let me know in the comments section below if you use this Close All Tabs option frequently, as I would be curious to know if this type of confirmation dialog box is something you prefer to see in the user experience of Chrome for Android.